Hello everyone, welcome to Adobe_ channel. I am glad you are watching this video. If you like it, I would be happy to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified of the latest videos uploaded to the channel. In this video, we create a beautiful background in After Effects. This is easily done by using several effects. You can use the combination of your favorite colors and create your own background. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.